Hey everyone, welcome back, and today we're covering another really common English expression. Today it's just two words that we have, wide and range, and these two words are really commonly used together when describing the benefits or features of something. Now, wide range just means large variety, like there's many things that you can do. And I've got some examples to show you. There you go. So you can have a wide range of activities. So you might be describing the features of a summer camp. So if you've got kids, and the summer camp might be advertising that they have a wide range of activities for children to enjoy when they go to the summer camp. A wide range of hobbies. So if you're looking for someone to practice English with online, and you might put an ad out and say that you are somebody who has a wide range of hobbies such as fishing and trekking in the mountains. The next one is dishes. So a restaurant that prides itself on having a large menu could say that they have a wide range of dishes from around the world. Next thing is attractions. So a city might be trying to get more tourism more tourists to visit their city, and they might describe themselves as having a wide range of attractions for tourists, both young and old. The next one is nationalities, and nationality just means like which country are you from. So a university might advertise themselves as being very multicultural and friendly for anybody from any country to study there. So they might say that they have a wide range of nationalities. And the last one is animals. This one could be used for a zoo, who describes themselves as having a wide range of animals as their main attraction. So that's the end of this video. It's a really short one, but I want you to try and use a wide range of something this week. Alright, that's it from me. I'm Sam. Bye bye for now.